My name is Sven Kili, and I'm the Chief Development Officer for CCRM and Omnia Bio. CCRM is a not-for-profit organization based in Toronto. We really focus on growing the cell and gene therapy ecosystem globally. We also have CCRM in Nordic and CCRM in Australia recently started up. The focus behind CCRM is not only manufacturing, but it's supporting companies. And to that end, my role is to lead the platforms. And the platforms include vector development, iPSC development, immunotherapies, and new company formation. And so within that, we're really looking how we can develop new technologies and optimize the technologies we have now to push the ecosystem forward and support companies to grow and create better therapies for patients. We've got an enormous amount happening in the CCRM family, which also includes Omnia Bio. Now, Omnia Bio is a for-profit CDMO based in Hamilton in Toronto. Omnia Bio is going to be opening its doors officially to start manufacturing next month. So if you are in the Toronto area, please drop by and say hello. Other fantastic, exciting news is we have a new company formed called Omnia Bio. And Omnia Bio is there to license out iPSC lines, which are GMP, to support companies developing their therapies. So if you are a company who needs an iPSC line, but you don't have the millions and millions of dollars and the very long time to develop that yourself, come and speak to Omnia Bio, and I'm sure they'll be able to help you out. Those are just two of the things that are happening, but we've got tons more happening over the next 6 months. So follow us on LinkedIn, follow us on Twitter or X, and keep up with us, and you'll see some of the very cool stuff happening.